Prepaid maintenance is just one of the amazing benefits of driving a new BMW or Mini. But if you're going to keep your vehicle beyond the factory warranty, you'll want to protect your investment through proper maintenance. With BMW and Mini service contracts that can be extended up to 6 years past your factory warranty, maintaining your vehicle to the highest standard can be as easy as it was when you first purchased your vehicle. The packages include basic maintenance items as well as spark plug replacement and brake fluid service. For total coverage, we offer service-inclusive plus packages, which include the items I just mentioned, plus brake replacement and annual windshield wiper change. For as low as $490, you can protect yourself against ever-rising service costs and drive with confidence knowing that your vehicle has been cared for by factory-trained technicians. For more information about this opportunity or to purchase a contract, contact a service advisor today at 204-452-7799.